More than 2 years after 2 toddlers were reported missing in California City, and a year after the district attorney charged the adoptive parents with murder, the trial for Trezell and Jacqueline West is starting Tuesday. David Kaplan spoke to an attorney about the big questions that need to be answered in court. David.
The community has been waiting for answers and closure for a sad story that's gripped the hearts of the entire nation. Trezell West and his wife Jacqueline told us December 23, 2020, that 2 days earlier, 4-year-old Oren and 3-year-old Orson were outside on the sidewalk when he was bringing firewood into the house. They say Jacqueline was in their California City house wrapping Christmas gifts that they didn't want them to see.
I was playing with chalk, and I came in the house, I saw them there. I went in the house, I came back out, I didn't see them now. I immediately went back in, asked my wife, did you see the boys? She said no.
He claimed he went back outside.
I realized that I left the gate open, and I panicked, came inside the house, searched the house, me and my wife. Once that hadn't panned out, I got in the van. I looked down the street, most directions. It was getting dark, getting cold, and I got in the van and I hit a bunch of corners.
After calling and searching for the boys, the couple says they called the California City Police Department. Police searched for the boys while the California City community looked too. A few months later, the Bakersfield Police Department took over the case. In March 2022, Kern County District Attorney Cynthia Zimmer announced what the District Attorney's Office investigation revealed.
This morning, I'm saddened to announce that the investigation has revealed that Oren and Orson West are deceased.
She said the investigation revealed they died 3 months before their adoptive parents reported them missing. DA Zimmer said the bodies had not been found, but that there's sufficient evidence to charge and convict Trezell and Jacqueline. Trezell and Jacqueline moved from Bakersfield to California City 3 months prior to reporting the boys missing. I asked Ron Zambrano, an attorney not involved in the case, about the big questions hanging over this case.
I'm very interested to see what circumstantial evidence there would be presented in order to, plug those two holes. Manner of death and that there is a death.
I'll be here at the Kern County Courthouse tomorrow at 9 a.m. when the opening statements start. The closing arguments are scheduled for June 1st and the jury deliberations are June 2nd. So stay here on Eyewitness News as we'll be at the courthouse throughout the entire trial. In downtown Bakersfield, David Kaplan, Eyewitness News.